Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show how to configure Outlook with Gmail config with the POP3. Okay, the first step, you go to manage the Google account first. Okay, press here and go to manage your Google account. Because we go to enable the access. Okay, we go to and then go to security, and then here list secure app access. We go to on this apps. If we don't go to on this option like this, okay, when we the configure is not successful like this, okay, like this always. If many time I try but it's correct password but still like this because not successfully. Okay, press here, press off, and then to here, and then you go to allow list security app. Okay, ready, and then go to check this one. Okay, we got the one email message from the Google. Go to check here and check activity. Okay, and then you say you yes. Okay, thank you for confirm this. Okay, after the next step, we go to setting and then see all the setting, and we go to enable this POP3 because I config with POP, so I enable POP3. Okay, on email. Okay, I choose the POP3. No need Imap, I config with the POP3. Okay, and then we go to save. Okay, if you want to know the another instruction, you click here. Okay, you don't know port, you don't know POP3 how to configure, you press instruction. Okay, and then you press save. Okay, you go to check here. Okay, this is instruction of the Google. Okay, this is on POP3 and okay, and SMTP like this. Okay, and finish on the web with the Google account, Google Mail account. Okay, and then we go to the Outlook for configure. Okay, one more thing, important point. If account Gmail enable with the two-factor, this option no help. Okay, so if you want to enable this option, you go to remove two-factor first. Okay, if we enable two-factor, cannot see this list secure app setting. Okay, the one more step, we go to configuration of the account Gmail that we just config. Okay, I config with POP3. Okay, I fill the my information. Okay, this SMTP and POP3. If you don't know, you go to check instruction that I showed in the last video. Okay, and this one also the advanced. Okay, that's okay, successful. POP now processing. SMTP okay, SMTP okay also. Okay, finish. Okay, my configuration is successful. Okay, thank you for watching my video.